In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join a Telegram group with a link quickly and easily. This is a simple process, but if you're new to Telegram, it can still be a little confusing the first time. Whether the invite link comes from a browser, email, text message, or another chat app, I'll walk you through exactly what to click so you can join the right group without any trouble. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, find the invite link to the Telegram group. It will usually look something like t.me/the group name or t.me plus a unique invite code. Once you have the link, click on it directly. If you're on a computer, your browser may ask whether you want to open the Telegram desktop app or continue in the web version. Go ahead and allow Telegram to open. If you already have the app installed, this will usually take you straight to the group preview screen. Next, take a moment to confirm the group details before joining. This is an important step because it helps you make sure you're entering the correct community. Check the group name, read the description if one is available, and look at the member count. This can help you avoid joining the wrong group or clicking a misleading link. Once everything looks right, look for the join button at the bottom of the screen. In some cases, it may say join group. Click that button and Telegram will add you to the group immediately. After that, you should be able to see the messages, participate in the conversation, and access any shared posts or files inside the group. If the link does not open properly, make sure Telegram is installed and updated, or try opening the link in a different browser. And if you're using the web version, just follow the same steps on the preview page. That's all it takes to join a Telegram group with a link. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.